Well, hey there. Welcome to day 1061 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horn-Elstrom here, and I am not really here today. I wish I had smoke and mirrors because I would be using them, but I wanted to show you that yes, I did indeed change my sweater, and I did my videos for tomorrow today so that I've got them produced, and I'll figure out when to get them processed throughout the course of the days, but I have the content created intentionally, and I thought I was going to maybe skip this one, but I wanted to show you that I actually did what I said I was going to do. I switched clothes, grabbed a different outfit, and I'm not really here today. I'm really here yesterday. So when you're seeing this, I did it yesterday for today. Confusing? No. It just goes to show you that you can create content whenever it works for you, whatever's best for you. I am still a little frustrated that Facebook has zero Christmas filters. None. Not a single Christmas filter, not a single, any other way of celebrating this time of the year, this time of the season filter. No Santa faces, no Santa hats, no singing elves, no nothing. I am beyond disappointed and shocked and awed at the performance of many media outlets in 2020. 2020 has definitely not been the year of vision for certain entities that we look up to or have looked up to in the past. I have zero respect for the media right now. I have zero respect for social media platforms, at least the big owners in the social media platform world. I think that they are showing a complete lack of ethics, morals, values, actually any behavior that I would want to be associated with. It's kind of sad, but hopefully 2021 will change all that and we won't be dealing with this nonsense anymore, and that the rights of the world will be wronged in the overall global things, and that good will out over evil. But we never know. We never know what we're going to get. So I want to go ahead and make this so I at least have a video for this particular segment on what I'm doing as I transition from the brick and mortar world to the online world. In the brick and mortar world, I just would have taken the days off, right? We'd shut down over the holidays and we wouldn't be there, and we wouldn't be serving customers in any way, shape, or form these days that the rest of the world is having holidays and shut down. But in the online world, we can still show up because there's so many creative ways we can continue to do that. We can still make offers and serve things to people and solve problems and help them, even if we're not physically here right now. And that's one of the most powerful things about the internet as a tool. We can do a piece of work or content ahead of time, and we can use that same piece of content to reach more and more people over time, over and over and over and over again. And I think that's probably one of my favorite things about social media. All right, have an amazing day. Have a happy Christmas Eve and a happy Christmas, and I will be with you tomorrow. Take care, because I'm not really here today. So tomorrow I'll actually be here. Bye. Have a fun day.